guys, so recently I did a video showing how I make and install my DIY passion twist. So Amazon Leeven here contacted me because they have a similar product. So the main difference between the DIY passion twist I made and this one is the fact that this comes pre-twisted already. So for the one that I made made the passion hair and also twisted the hair. So this comes pre-twisted. So I'm planning to crochet in this hair today. So I'm going to be showing you how I install this hair. So I got the T-bug color and I'm hoping that it will turn out nice. I actually got a gift of latch hook. It came with a package and there are 6 of this. I'm not sure how much I have in each one. For people who don't have the time to make their own DIY passion twist, this might actually be the way to go. The pre-twisted passion twist. You will save the time for making the passion hair and also the time for twisting as well. So you will save a lot of time by going for this. As you can see, I have done my braiding pattern already. I picked a braiding pattern that will not pull my edges much because I'm trying to grow my edges to make the hair thicker in this area. So I use this braiding pattern that will have less tension on my front, on my edges. And like I said earlier on, I have 6 packs of this, 6 packs altogether. Each pack contains 15 passion twist hair. So altogether I have 90. I have 90 passion twists to install. So I'm just going to go straight into the installation part. So I'm going to start from the side here. I'll slide my crochet hook in and then I'll pick the hair from the loop area and hook it here. And as soon as I hook it, I'll remove the crochet hook and I'll just basically pull the other side of the twist through, and that's it. So the first one is done. So as you can see, I left out some hair on this side. I'm actually going to use another passion twist installation method on that side. So, and that's going to happen. You will see that shortly. Okay, so the first one is installed. I'm going to show you the method again, how to install. So again, I'm going to slide my crochet hook in. I'll slide it in, pick the side with the loop and use it to hook the crochet hook, remove the crochet hook, and then I'm just going to slide the remaining part of the twist into the loop. So that's it. So I'm going to continue this throughout my hair. leave out here, and I've taken one line out of it for some single braids. So I'm going to do 5 single braids along this line to cover the hair on this side. So I'm going to be using unraveled passion twist to make 5 single braids here. I've unraveled the 5 here, and I'm just going to be using them to do single braids along this line. So I'm done doing the single braids. I have 5 single braids here, and I'm sure you'll agree with me that it actually looks like I've done single braids throughout my hair. So I've saved that time of having to do single braids throughout my hair by doing crochet from here all the way to the back, and I just have a single line of single braids here. So everything looks like single braids throughout the hair. The next thing I'm going to do with this side is to cornrow this side. I'm going to do some cornrows here, and I will finish off the ends with unraveled passion twist. So I've unraveled some passion twist to finish off the ends of this cornrows I'm going to do here. So for this next stage, I'm planning to do 2 cornrows that will cross over each other. So I have made 2 lines. This is line 1 and this is line 2. For each line, I have divided each one into 2. So I'm going to start this braiding here. I'll start the cornrow here, and it will cross over to this line, and vice versa. So this is going to start and it will cross to the other side. So that's what I'm about to do. Done. I'm done with the cornrow and other parts of the hair, but I'm sure you can tell that there's a difference between the ends on this side and this side. I've noticed that when I pull the passion twist hair, it gives it a nice and longer finishing, like so, and that's why this side looks different from this side. So I want to pull the passion twist on this side as well, so that it will look exactly like this side, because I kind of prefer this. It's longer and it's also nicer. The redness at the end is also reduced because I've pulled this side already. So I'm going to be showing you some examples. Yeah, so I'm just going to be pulling like this. So it's longer. It's longer, and for some of them I'll trim off the ends as well if required. So that's what I'm going to be doing for finishing touches. All right, so this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it like I do. Pulling the ends gave it a very nice effect, which I really like. It makes it longer and also gave the end a very nice finishing. So you can try that out, you know, to improve the appearance of your passion twist. I've actually never really tried side mohawk with passion twist before, but I just tried it now, and I think it's a great combination to try out. I'll leave a link to the Amazon Leeven Hair Store website. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So please check them out. They have other products apart from the passion twist. They have other products too, which you might like. So let me know what you think about my passion twist. I used pre-twisted passion twist this time around, and it took a shorter time because the passion twist came pre-twisted. So you can give it a try. All right, thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate you watching my videos. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please click on the button right now, because I have more videos coming your way soon. Take good care of yourself, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.